Hey, man, thanks for tuning in, man. Thanks for tuning in. A little under the weather. But it is what it is. Got bills to pay. Nobody gonna pay them for me. All right, man, but we got a Club Car Tempo here. It's got the Kohler engine. I want to show you how to adjust the throttle and speed it up. And if you look, this is where your throttle opens at here. You can see it hitting that, so the first thing you want to do is take your 10mm wrench, break your nut loose. Then on this side, you have a nut as well. Actually, I lied, they changed it now. But you want to back this bolt out. So when you hit the gas, it's not hitting it. I always use my fingers to hit the gas. Just keep backing it out until you have a little gap between the bracket and the bolt itself, and tighten it back down. And what that does, man, that gives you full throttle when you hit the gas. All right. And don't break it, but just tighten it down. All right. Then the second thing you want to do is you look on this here, the same bracket that goes over here to your throttle body. You'll see that spring right there. And what you want to do, I got this black tie strap, custom built from Idiots R Us. Nah, man, just joking with you, man. But this is a black tie strap, or zip tie, excuse me. You can use what you want to use. Well, if you look at on the spring on the back side, you want to run it through the spring. Or what I normally do, which is what I should have done to begin with, is take it and run it through that there. All right. And as you're running it through there, if you'll take it and hold back on this, it kind of allows you a little more access for the cable. Easier to do. Then just take it. Just pull your zip tie. Like this here. On the old Club Car DS's, you could bypass the RPM limiter on them. But on these new fuel injection, it's all electronic now, so you can't really bypass it. The governor, except for doing this mod right here. I mean, if you wanted to, if it's too fast, it won't do no damage. All it'll do is take it and surge, and then you know to cut the zip tie or back the zip tie off. So don't worry about pulling it too tight where you actually do damage to the engine, because you'll feel it hit the RPM limiter. With a governor, pretty much, it slows it down. All right, man, stay tuned, man. I had another video like this before, man, but I had a bunch of, my phone was broke and the speakers were whistling. But all right, man, stay tuned. Hit that like button for me, man. Trying to get 500 likes on one video. Stay tuned, fellas. Club Car Tempo, Kohler engine.